Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to lock screen while watching YouTube on Android. So let's get started. So here we are, and what we want to do first is go into our settings. In my case, I'll just go into the notifications panel and tap on the gear icon so that I can go to settings. In any way you do is fine, so as long as you get into the settings. And from here you want to search right here in the settings sidebar, and let's just wait for it. There it is, sidebar right there. So just a disclaimer that in your case it might be different. It won't be called sidebar if you have a different brand. In my case, I have Xiaomi, so it is called sidebar, but if you have Vivo, Oppo, or whatever Android device, it might be different. So you might want to research that on what it is called on your device. And so in my case it is like this, and I want to enable that always show right here, and I want to make sure that in the video apps right here I have the YouTube checked right here. So you might want to also enable that in your own device. Whatever device you're using, you should have that enabled in your video app so that you would have the video toolbox. So let's just go back right here, and now let's go back into our home screen, and from here we want to go into YouTube right there. And now that we're in YouTube, what we're gonna do is simply select a video that we want to play while our screen is off. In my case, I'll just go here, and this is the video that I want to play. Let's say that, and I don't want to play this video yet because my audio will be interrupted. So what you want to do while this audio is playing in your phone, or this video is playing in your phone, is that you want to go and access the sidebar. And from here you can see the video toolbox right here, because you have enabled or checked the YouTube in what we did earlier in the manage videos. So we can see the video toolbox right here. So now what we're gonna do is tap on this icon right here. It says play video or audio with screen off right here. It has the ear icon right here. So that's all you have to do. You just have to tap to that, and after that your screen will be off while your YouTube audio is playing. And that's basically it.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.